we can doing a heart. Should you want to see the lips, or you want to do a heart? Hey Beauty Nanny, how are you? Hey Phillips, hi Ellie. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Maybe we can do a lip. We did this lip was I think we did it was a few live video before, and then it was inspired by one of the artists, nail artists. I forgot her name, but we're definitely gonna tag her in to definitely give her credit. So this is like, it's kind of new, but it's kind of not new. It's fun though. So let's do some fun. Either you draw the leaf. It's so simple and easy. And you can draw it different. Like you can get a puffy lip, so you can do a really thin one. It's really up to you, okay? I think you can either doing it really I think it's so much fun to do Valentine. It's funny, I would say that you can do a like puffy leaf, like really it's up to you if you want your leaf to be like really full or whatever you call that. It looks so cute either way. I might do this one a little bit. The upper lip dresses a little bit more. And everybody have a different way to doing it. I know you all doing, like all of you I got to see is so beautiful. Also, you got to see me doing this with the transfer foil. It's like so much fun if you have a clients like really want to get a cute Valentine, but they're in like, for instance, if they are in lunch break at work and come and get their nails done, like in limit time, you can use transfer foil and do that for them. Oh, looks so cute. Or if your clients have more time to enjoy with you, then you can do this painting and sugaring. I feel I'm quiet today, I am. Maybe I would be wrong. I'm just so focused, I guess. I feel like when sometimes I'm not loud, I feel like I'm like so quiet today. But you don't want me to be like too loud because I get distracted. I can't do the work. Oh, I even really like it by itself though. Like a hot pink. Pink on pink is really nice. Also, you can do exactly the same, this technique I shared with you for a sweater. Super cute. All this you will learn hands-on training with us in March, the end of March with the class in Ann Arbor. I'm so excited because that will get like a first day you will get to learn with liquid and powder, dipping powder with all of you in the trend of dipping. I got an opportunity and so lucky to be trained with dipping and liquid and powder for past 12 years. And then crystal placement for past 2 years. So I'm so excited. And so first day we'll learn like liquid and powder and dipping powder. It's all basic shape, application, prepping the nails, how you place the tip on properly without crooked on the nails, and how you can able to shape them nicely so then it looks so nice and precise, and how you can able to apply the right ratio of your beads and your monomers and your polymer. And also you can get to learn same thing with the dipping, shaping, and structure of the nails. And then the second day, that's the first day, get a lot of fun to learn on first day. Second day, you get to learn crystal placement from a basic to advanced, and then all the art, which is including what I'm doing it right now. But beside this, we get a lot of more art along with that. You get a hands-on training with gel painting, and you get to learn is hands-on with a 4D gel, crystal placement from a basic, which is like a flat back, through 3D, chain, charms, all that freestyle. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to get to share with you more information as it's come along. Stay tuned. The information should be coming probably in like a day or two also. It's not too long, so then everybody can prepare. I think that's such a great investments for your career. I wouldn't be here to get opportunity to share with every single of you if I wouldn't take any of my continuing education class, and I'm so excited to get to share with all of you. Now looks one of my leaf, it have a little bit of but I'm not too worried about it. When you see it happen like that, is I have a little bit extra one, I am going to use my dot tool and just give it a little swipe. There you go. So please stay tuned for whoever interested in to take your business to the next level. And then also the third day is the ambassador opportunity. So we're gonna train you and show you all the tips and tricks and the protocols, so that you can able to be out there teaching to helping all others nail techs. So it's really excited, and I can't really wait to get more information to share with all of you. So I'm gonna do the heart. This one part of like on the session of training, so but you got to be like right hands-on with us, like including liquid and powder, and then also the gift that you all gonna receive to take home is unbelievable. You're gonna have over like $500 of your product from not only from the crystals, also from a liquid and powder from one of a really awesome company with Chisel Nail Art will get the products for us. So you all to get like a lot of products to take home. Your crystals, your liquid and powder, and a lot of things. And during a training that you have all different instruction, and you have a whole entire program for teaching. So I'm so thrilled. I don't know how to like really explain a lot, as it's gonna have the information coming shortly for us. So okay, so here what I'm doing, I get 3 dots using my crystal picker. The other end was a dot tool, so I dot 3 dots and I drag it down, blend. I will say, maybe I say blend it out instead of drag it, and like blend it out, so then it creates really cute little tiny little hearts. Super cute. Maybe I should give it a little bit. Little heart there. Could be the heart or could be the lips. How about that? Maybe a part of the leaf is on the end so it doesn't look too naked. Looks great. Great. Oh my God, it's so beautiful though. Even though it's like that, if you're happy with this, you don't have to do anything. You just like pop in the lamp, top coat, you're good to go. But you want to make it more effects, fun, cute. I would sprinkle the sugaring on it. Oh my god, this lips is so hot. It's really ready to be kissed. All right, pinky pink. That's the color. As I said earlier, it's super easy and so consistency. When I painted it, you literally seeing me watching me painting it, and it doesn't have any issue at all. So I am going to using a sugar, just the white one. Super cute. Hey Lunala, how are you? I'm gonna sprinkle it in. I'm telling you, this tray is going a long way. Comes really handy, and I can, you know, like pour it right back into my jar. Oh. Okay, it's great. It doesn't take away from your pink, but it gives it so nice effects. I usually doing it at least 4 times to make sure they are absorbing to my gel painting. And that's also will last so much longer. You see, it's not, the gel is not runny. So then when you're painting a lot of different art, it was there for you. Tap it down, the excess powders, the glitter, pop this into the lamp about 60 seconds. Thank you, Liz. How are you? Lupita. Look at that. Sneak peek. You'll see starting a viral soon, and then also that you can able to take advantage from a 20% off on the Valentine's sales. It's you have 20% off on most products. It's great. It's so amazing, except the class. And I think is Treasure Box, because Treasure Boxes get really awesome discount. If you haven't get check it out with the Valentine, you want something is quick, great, ship it out really fast. In 2 days you receive it, and you haven't like get some Valentine product, don't forget to check out the Valentine Treasure Box. It's limited times offer only. And also you might find yourself in like a Diamond Dust Pixie in Valentine collection, or you see the glitter Valentine heart, and like a Valentine mixed bags. You see all the Valentine themes in there. So it's randomized but beautiful. Always better, getting better and better as is, like, you know, the products, a new product come in, you always can get that. So it's really great to check it out. And also don't forget to enter to giveaway. It's a great 20,000 follower giveaway. Thanks to you, we wouldn't be here without you. So don't forget to enter in and make sure you follow all the steps. So let me dust this off. Ready? Look at that. I have a matte top coat underneath already, or if you want to do a shiny, you can. You're more than welcome doing it as well. Beautiful. And then that's it. You don't have to do any top coat unless you find your customer really hard in their hands. You might want to top coat them, but the beautiful it is that have the texture of it. I'm freaking like this. I can